Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. Today this is a bit of a troubleshooting problem. As you know, I'm having problems with my propane forge. Basically it's not heating up to the right temperature, and I'm just having fun. I'm just having problems with it. So what I'm going to try and do is clean out the nozzle, the contact tip, whatever you want to call it, and see if I can reach them temperatures. If not, we'll drill it out and we'll just see. Should be a short video, but I hope you all enjoy it. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. I know it's a bit of a quick one. What the problem was, I think, was the regulator. What I did is I took that apart. I cleaned the tip out, I cleaned the nozzle out, and redid the fittings and all that. So there shouldn't have been a problem there. But the regulator I got, funnily enough, they brought me a 0 to 2 bar regulator, which isn't great. Not going to name the company. But they brought me a 0 to 2 bar when they were meant to bring me a 0 to 4 bar, so I've called them back and I want them to come pick it up. But luckily I had one from BOC, a 0 to 4 bar, so I attached that on there, and straight away, raw, it was heating up. Got to welding, no problem. I melted a bit of steel actually, but yeah, I got to welding and it wasn't a problem. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. It really helps out. The previous, the next videos are in the description. My playlists are in the description. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. All that is in the description below. Hope you all enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.